Hey y'all, put your gloves on. Let's tie-dye today. Okay, as always, this is a 100% cotton t-shirt that has been soaked in a soda ash water solution for 20 minutes more and then spun out in the washing machine until damp. This is an extra large shirt. I'm going to eyeball the center point, going from the tag down and then across the armpits, so right about here, and we'll spiral. This design's going to work best on a larger shirt. We're going to spiral, trying to keep that well from happening, and now stop your spiral. You still have all of this, right? We're going to crinkle this in. Okay. And rubber band that into place. Okay, so I'm going to work in this little spiral and then make a crinkle pattern on the outside. So here I need to mark 3 pie pieces. I got a lot of rubber bands. It's going to cost some wicking, so we've got to move that around. So with my washable marker, I need 3 pie pieces. Okay, so here's my center. So we're gonna go like this. 1, 2, no, that, and then, yeah, so 1, 2, 3, that's good. Because we're gonna have to mix colors in here. I don't have a lot of room to do 6 colors for a rainbow. So we're gonna have to make the red and the yellow touch to make our orange, and the blue and the yellow touch to make our green, and the blue and the red touch to make our purple. So I've got to be very careful. And the colors we're going to use today are lemon yellow, brilliant blue, watermelon black, and smoky gray. Okay, so we're going to do red, yellow, blue. So I gotta move my rubber bands out of the way, and I'm going to be careful placing my watermelon in my pie piece here, and it's okay if we go over because we're mixing colors, right? Okay, and make sure my hands are clean, and we're gonna move the shirt over, move these rubber bands here, and I'm gonna put my yellow here. I'm gonna let it overlap. So now we've got orange, right? And I'm going to take it down here into this side of the spiral. We're going to do the same on the other side. And now we're going to take our brilliant blue. And I'm going to move my rubber bands again. And we're going to put our brilliant blue here. And we're going to let them overlap. That's okay. Make a little bit of purple, make a little bit of green. There we go. Put those back into place. And all around here, we're going to do a wash of the Stormy Gray. Being pretty generous with it. I got a lot of fabric I got to go through. A lot of fabric. I'm going to put some dots of black just around, like so. Okay, now let's turn it over. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I can see where my colors were, so I know where to put them. I'm putting them in the exact same spot as opposed to alternating them. So here I've got my red, because see, there's my orange. Okay, so here's my red. Here's my blue. Oops. Okay, and here's my yellow. And then the same, we got our smoky. And we're gonna go just around with this smoky. And then top it off with some just quick splashes of that black. Okay, let's bag it. Okay, here we go. See you in 24 hours. So here it is. What do you guys think? Oh, ooh, I'm so excited because we incorporated the spiral and the crinkle. Love it. Did you know that there's a way we could just spiral on the front and leave a crinkle on the back? We'll do that on another day. I love how these colors all blended right here in the middle. It's kind of like that fuzzy, psychedelic. It's not crisp, right? So it's like, ooh, I love that. And then here they branch out. Here's our green. We got a tiny bit of purple in here. Not as heavy as I would like, but it's still there. And it all blends right in here to that psychedelic middle. And I love how it also just creeps out. The spiral creeps out into that crinkle all the way around. It just disperses beautifully. Beautifully. Oh gosh, what a fun shirt. And here's the back. Right? Oh, I'm in love with this. I am in love with incorporating both the spiral and the crinkle in one shirt. How neat is that? And if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put this in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. My channel is loaded with tons of content, from tie-dyeing to jewelry making to unboxing and cooking and spirituality. Just a smattering of my life that I like to share with you. And if you like the shirts that we do, you can find this shirt plus a ton of others in my Etsy store. And I'll leave a link to my Etsy store in the description box below. So look what we did today. It's beautiful and so bright. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for playing along. And remember, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. Try something new today. You never know. You might like it. Talk to you soon.